Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my campground, aka my backyard. Today we're going to be installing a truck tent on the Trail Boss. Let's check it out. The tent's right here, and here are some straps that will go down the side of the truck, protect the paint. So I'm going to throw all this together. We're going to see if we can leave this on rolled up or if we have to take the whole tonneau cover off in order to use this tent. Here's everything laid out on the ground, ready to go. The poles are put together and they are color coordinated to the tent. I went ahead and also installed these strap protectors. So this one goes right down here. The second one goes right here. And then the third one will connect right up under here. And here is the tent. The door goes to the back. Let me show you the strap connections. The straps on the back, you need to find 3 of them. There's one here, and one here. They're gonna go up under the tailgate, and you'll find another strap. Let me show you how I connected these. And there's 3 of them. There's one strap right here that you have to feed between the tailgate and the back of the truck. And then you're gonna take your strap and you're gonna reach back here under the tailgate, and you're gonna take the connection, connect that, pull it a little tight, and now you're gonna have the opening come right to the back of the tailgate. We're first gonna grab the blue pole. These go diagonally crisscross, and you can see right here, this is blue. So you're gonna slide that right in the blue. And just be careful with these. As you slide them, you don't wanna rip the tarp. Take your time. Now we're gonna grab the second blue. And we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna install it right through the crisscross blue tarp. Now let's grab the short gray. That one goes in this front gray sleeve. Go ahead and grab the green pole and let's slide that in the corresponding color slot. Finally, we're going to go ahead and grab the longer gray pole. We're going to slide it in under these blue crisscross. We want to first install the green pole into this little piece right here and do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take the crisscrossed blues and slide those through here. Now we're going to take the other blue pole on the other side, do the same thing. All right, this thing's coming alive. Let's go ahead and take the short gray and put them through these little grommet holes on each side. It's already got the other side, good to go there. I went ahead and grabbed the long gray pole, inserted it right here in this little pocket, and then on the other side, the same spot on the outside of this strap. So it was a little bit of a pain lining everything up, but this looks pretty good right now. So let's continue on. Now that we've climbed up in the tent, they want you to take this black pole and stick it right through here. So I'm gonna do that now. And then they want you to take this other side. And there's another piece right here. So it clips right to that. So it goes from there all the way up to there. And then I've got to Velcro this pole and get it seated correctly. Now that this thing is fully extended, all I got to do is take all these clips and attach them to the poles. So let me go ahead and tidy that up and we'll finish up. Now I'm going to take this little gear loft and we're going to clip this up top here on these little straps. And one more. Now that we got this tent set up, this thing's looking pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and put this rain fly on. So the end right here with the zipper, that's gonna go towards the cab. So I'm gonna chunk this over, I'm gonna set it up, and we'll check it out. Okay, we got the rain gear on the tent. There's no rain coming today, so I'm probably gonna take this back off, but I wanted to show you how it goes over the tent. There's a strap here, strap right here, and then there's another strap right down here. There's 3 on the other side in the exact same locations. So that's what she looks like with that on. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I'm not expecting any rain. Okay, let's go ahead and set up the awning. I've got this navy blue pole. 2 of these, they crisscross and they will slide right through here. Okay, so I went ahead and did this side of the awning. I'm going to show you this. This piece has a little bungee. It just clips together. And then you want to take this long pin and stick that up top. And then you're going to take this adjustment piece, slide that into there. And then you see this little grommet down here. There's another pin. So you want that to line up right there. And make sure that's even on both sides as much as we can. Strap that down, and then you're gonna take this, I already clipped it, but you would clip this right here and just kind of pull that snug. So awning should be good to go. So I'm not gonna set all these up in the ground, but it does have safety straps for your awning. So you wanna take this string, take this, go ahead, the stake, go ahead and drive it in the ground a little bit, and then take this, it comes kind of like that. You want to make you a loop at the bottom. So go ahead and make that loop and attach it like that. And then it's going to kind of slide up like so. And if you need more, and then you're going to clip that ring to right up there. And then they give you this little gray piece. And you want to take that gray piece and slide it right over that pin. And you're pretty secure now, but you can always stake that in more. Looks good. Okay, we are all wrapped up. Let's go ahead and look inside here and see what all she offers. So as soon as you come in the tent, you've got a little pouch right here. So you can put some stuff in here, maybe your phone, whatever. This has got windows. You can either open this up as one individual, or you can open them both up. So there's your window, let some nice breeze in. It's also got some other little vent windows right up here if you don't want the full window open. And that is also on this side as well. So you can open up that little vent window, and then this opens up right over here into a full window. It's already feeling cooler in here, nice breeze coming through. And then on the back, there is another one. So that will definitely let this thing breathe and air out. It's pretty cool how many options it's got for windows. And then up here, up top, you can put some stuff up here if you want to store things, maybe clip a lantern or something, battery powered lantern. So that would be pretty good. But as far as sleeping in this thing, I'm gonna have to try it out. Probably gonna have to get a mattress. I don't think I'm gonna enjoy sleeping on a truck bed. So, but yeah, as far as this inside, pretty cool. So let me show you this door operation, your front door. You've got this if you just want it to ventilate and have this open. Now, if you want privacy, you're going to bed at night, obviously you're gonna wanna zip everything up. So Let's go ahead and show you. It just, not like any other normal tent, zips right open. And there you go. Okay, so look at this thing. This thing looks really cool on the truck. There's your awning poking out, and there's a couple of angles, but you definitely pull up to a campground or a campsite, it's definitely gonna get people talking about this tent. Looks really cool on the truck. There's the inside. Show you the other side. Everything fit pretty good. I was very happy with that roll-up tonneau because I did not have to take it off. So I was able to kind of force it to the back of the glass and didn't even have to worry about it. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to worry about taking off a vinyl roll-up cover to use this tent. All right, well, I got this tent set up. It's really cool on the truck. I think it might be time to take a little backyard camping trip with the family. So give yourselves at least an hour or two the first time you set this thing up. And then after you do, I think it'll be a lot easier the second time. So I appreciate y'all watching this. And if you liked it, hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, see y'all.